guys, so I'm done taking a bath and prepping. Now I'm gonna take a quick nap until I get called for breakfast. That's what I usually do in school days. And nagigising na ako ng 3 a.m. kapag may pasok since kailangan maaga ko. Because my brother will take a bath pa. This is my fit for today. This is my fit for today. Actually, basta ito suot ko kapag Tuesdays and Fridays. Because I only have face-to-face kapag Tuesday and Friday. Hey guys, it's actually 10:47 right now. I arrived at home at 9 o'clock or 8:30 p.m. I am so tired kasi nag-pat-fit kami kanina tapos nag-workout kami, like basta strength workout and stuff like that. Ngayon, I'm gonna take a bath and then maybe scroll on TikTok and then go to sleep because I am so freaking sleepy. I actually have a lot of things to do tomorrow. Tambak na yung gawain ko, guys. And it's actually so hot. Like, scorching hot, ha? Like, scorching hot. Alam niyo, naglalakad lang ako sa campus kanina. So hot, guys. Especially brushing my teeth, so I'm gonna put my retainers. I put on some lotion. This is an ultimate favorite of mine. Or I don't have the lotion right now, pero the China Blue one from Marks and Spencer. The best. Di pala ito yung ultimate favorite ko. It's the China Blue one. This is the top 2. Then, I don't do any skincare kasi I noticed na breakout ako even more when I do skincare, so I stopped doing it. Ang dami kong nilakad ngayon. Total steps ko today 12K, bro. Kasi umaga pa lang. Kasi ang dami naming vacant kanina. Ngayon, paikot-ikot kami sa campus. Kaya yan, umabot ng 12K yung steps ko for today. Actually, no, it's 13K. I was kidding. Biglang update. I also get a tumbler every night. Kasi hindi ko kayang matulog ng hindi umiinom ng tubig. So, kumukuha na lang ng tumbler para hindi na ako bababa to get some water. Then, I don't go to sleep with the wet hair. So, what I do is, I lie down here. Tapos yung hair ko, nakalawit siya dito. I'm not gonna go to sleep yet. Because, sira ang sleep sked ko. One last thing before I lie down. I'm gonna put this Vaseline. Kasi nagda-dry lips ko. That's pretty much it for my night routine. I'm gonna go to sleep now because it's 11:50. I don't have classes tomorrow though. But I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm freaking tired. That's my usual morning and night routine. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and see you on my next vlog. Good night.